coming to y'all looking all studious in my glasses. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It is Ash Wednesday here in Jamaica, and I am up early. I actually just came from my dad's house, and I'm now back at my place because I'm waiting for my AC to get installed today. The person was supposed to come to install from 9, so they're very late. They're like an hour and some change behind, so I'm waiting on them to come and install it so I can actually go back in my bed because I'm so tired. I am so tired. I planned on making this day like a rest day for me. I'm actually gonna also edit a vlog while I wait and put out a vlog today. So we're trying to be productive, period, and productive but like restful, you know what I mean? Oh, and if you're new here, my name is Carla. I do Jamaica lifestyle and travel content. If you are into that kind of thing, check me out, stick around, subscribe, leave a comment below, like the video, period, stick around, and yeah, welcome to another vlog. I got these glasses, and I don't remember if I included the glasses in my YouTubers brunch vlog, but I mean, y'all will see. But I got these glasses at the YouTubers brunch that I went to on Sunday, and these are from LE Distributors. I don't remember what the name of what LE stands for, I don't remember, but they basically send like UV blue light glasses. So I've been actually wanting one of these. I was actually thinking of getting one like from Amazon or something, because I have mentioned in my vlogs before that I do have photophobia, and it's not something that people really talk about, I've noticed. But my eyes are super light sensitive. I've mentioned this in a vlog before, probably a couple vlogs before, and this is why I wear sunglasses so much. One, because of the photophobia, and two, because I love sunglasses. But they've kind of become like a staple in like my outfits and like me going outside. Like I always have my sunglasses on, and that's just because the world is just very bright for me. Outside is just very bright for me, and it just affects my eyes. Like if I don't wear sunglasses, I literally have to squint like this to be able to see and to see comfortably. So like, let me take off the glasses. Like I have to squint like this basically if I'm outside, because like the light, it's like too bright and it hurts my eyes. It's like a pain in the back of the eyes whenever I go outside, and my eyes take like a long time to adjust the light. So if I'm at home for like a couple days and I go outside, it takes so long for my eyes to adjust to the light, and it just seems like outside is just like so bright. Like that's the only way I know how to describe it. And my eyes burn. Like when I say they burn, and it's a pain in the back of the eye. So that's my life, that's what I go through. So yeah, coming back to these glasses, I wanted to get one of these because I'm on my laptop every day, on my phone every day, and I wanted something that will help to kind of balance the way my eyes interact with the light, especially my laptop. So I realized that with my TV now, and I watch my TV, I know it's not good, but I watch a TV in the dark sometimes without the light on, and I know that's not good for my eyes, but I realize I'll have headaches before I go to bed whenever I'm watching TVs at night, because all the light from especially if you're watching a movie that's like have a lot of strobing lights. You'll notice that Netflix always gives that warning on the top corner, you know, people with light sensitivity, there's gonna be strobing effects. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed that, but those notifications are for people like me basically. So whenever I see those come up, I immediately start squinting my eyes and preparing for like flashing lights whenever I'm watching TV. But yeah, that's just a deep dive. That was a very long deep dive into me and my issues with my eyes. I know people are gonna ask if I've been to the doctor about it. I've been to an ophthalmologist before it, and honestly the ophthalmologist just told me to wear sunglasses, which I've already been doing. So she said there's nothing you can do about it, she checked my eyes and she's just like, your eyes are fine, so just wear sunglasses, because that's really the only thing you really can do, to be honest. I do feel like it's been getting worse though, so I feel like I kind of might want to go and see an ophthalmologist again, just to double check, because every time that I read up on photophobia, it does talk about the fact that photophobia is caused by something else. My mom has told me that doctors thought that I had meningitis when I was a child, when I was a baby, and she thinks I didn't have it, and in the end I don't think, they said that I probably didn't have it, but they thought I did. But knowing my adult life and knowing that photophobia is one of the, you know, like what you just said now, like a symptom of having meningitis, I kind of feel like maybe I did have it when I was younger. Either that or there's something else happening. So I think I want to check my eyes again, just to kind of tick those boxes and to make sure that there's nothing under the surface. I don't know when that's gonna be, but probably sometime soon I'll check it out, just to be on the safe side. But I definitely feel like it's been getting worse. And if you have the issue like me as well, they do have a glasses that you can get. It's called a F141 lens glasses. It's kind of like those glasses like what Elton John wears these glasses with red lens. That's basically what the glasses is, and those help to kind of tone down the lights in, like, you know, the outside world, or like your laptop and stuff. So I'm kind of thinking of getting a lens like that as well, that I can wear like on a daily, like if I'm going outside, to kind of just help me with my eyes, to be honest. But it's really hard finding a pair that's stylish. They usually aren't very stylish glasses. They don't look that great, guys. So I guess that's why I've been sticking to sunglasses, and they're usually a little bit pricey as well. I think they're usually start at around $50-$60 for a pair. But that's enough about my eye issues. I'm pretty sure you guys probably don't even care about this rant. But yeah, I'm gonna get into the rest of my day. It's like after 12 right now, so I am doing some work. I actually need to do some coffee, get some coffee. I had a meeting at like 8 o'clock this morning, so I had to get up like really early. I had to put on like a proper shirt and everything, but I'm gonna get some coffee now and maybe make like an egg. We haven't been to the supermarket. I've been craving croissants, but the only place I get croissants right now is like Price Mart, and we haven't been to Price Mart in like a while. But anyways, I'm gonna have breakfast, I'm gonna have coffee, and then I'm gonna like deep dive into my work right now. Why are you laughing? You don't like them?
What's her name? Christian.
Krista? Yeah, they do look like Krista's glasses.
Which competition did I show up? My competition, didn't I?
Yes.
Just sit down and go look like this when we started the basket one. Like the chicken them are well fried on.
I think they should be fine though. I think it's cooked, but it's just, I never fry it like dry. I don't like dry chicken.
After the fridge. You want to call them?
To what? Sheets? Yeah, I did.
Oh.
And I make myself some. Huh? If I remember that one?
What one there? If you remember that one was in the box. It's gone in the box.
Oh yeah, I did.
What did you have interview with this morning?
One company in the US, based in the US.
Yeah, so someone apparently invited us for a birthday party, and she's African from Nigeria.
Guys, I also need to give you like a Shop Me Say haul. I have had the things from Shop Me Say for so long, and I was even telling Anisha about them. I saw Anisha on Sunday at the YouTubers brunch. But so many people tell me about the Shop Me Say haul that they really enjoyed the last one that I did, and they've like been on the website buying stuff, or they used to know about it and forgot about it. And I was the same, like I actually forgot about the website for so long, and I've just been hooked ever since. But I need to give you guys a haul. I'm gonna give you guys a haul a little later today when I have some time. So yeah. just making my coffee. I've been saving my coffee pods, my used pods. I need to empty them and recycle these plastics. My community actually does recycling, so I need to take these out and recycle the plastics. Does your community recycle here in Jamaica? I mean, what are y'all doing? Coffee. Need to get some coffee cream at the supermarket. Coffee creamer. You know what I'm craving, mommy? A croissant. Sprite from Price Mart.
You know they were here Sunday?
Who was here Sunday?
Price Mart.
Doing what? Looking for people?
Your membership.
Oh, membership. Okay.
They were here from
But the membership can use for all stores now, right?
Yeah.
Well, you already have membership. I don't need any. I mean, what are the benefits of membership though? They do get a discount on Express Fitness, don't it?
Huh?
Membership gives you a discount on Express Fitness, Because if they do, I wouldn't mind a discount on my gym membership. I don't mind now, it was COVID thing. I don't know. If the corner was still here, if the corner was still here, I'd start back because me and Bakana could go to the gym. But Bakana left me out in the cold. Bakana gone about our business. So I just finished editing my vlog. I look crazy. I look crazy. I have a pimple patch here on my face. You can hardly see it in, well, you can kind of see like the light shining on it, but if the light wasn't shining on it, it kind of blends into my skin, which is what I love about them. I've worn these in public, I think, but under my mask. People don't know. Tea. But anyways, I just finished editing my Sunday vlog, my YouTubers brunch vlog. I'm hoping that, I was gonna call names, but I just hope my internet company does not mess with me in terms of the upload speed right now, okay? But yeah, I did my skincare last night. Like I did a proper skincare last night. Like when I want a deep clean, like spa vibes, esthetician vibes, and I did some extractions on like my face, and I had a bump that was coming up right here as well that was very congested. So after extracting and then exfoliating and all the works, I put one of these on it last night, and it wasn't even on for like an hour, I think, and it went right down. Like it was so swollen initially, then I put it on top of it and it was flat, and what was left in it was gone. You look cute. I've been here for at least 2 hours and I haven't vlogged. But y'all get the vibe. Yeah. We're at AC right now, but we're working. So we're working people. We're being productive. And the day almost done. I'm gonna reach nowhere. Where's that?
Always videoing when you see her. Always a video me. Gotcha. Anika did my nails, and look what she did. She smudged it.
You bitch, I did not. Hey y'all, so I'm just popping on here basically to tell you guys that I'm gonna have to give you guys the haul in the next vlog, and that's my promise. By the way, I will do it in the next vlog, but I have to do it in the next vlog, guys, because I want to get this vlog out today. Today's Wednesday, and I want to be consistent and give you guys this vlog today. And if I should wait on me to record the haul, you guys wouldn't get this vlog today. So I'm gonna put this out today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked you know, hanging out with me for the past couple days. And then in the next vlog, I will show you guys everything that I picked up for my skincare and shop missy and everything. I promise. Bye guys.